The engineers at the St. Petersburg enterprise UEC Klimov have developed a new turbogenerator that weighs only 200 kilograms and has a power output of 400 kilowatts. This unit is based on the VK-650V aircraft engine, which is intended for light helicopters such as the Ansat, Mi-34M1, and K-226. In December 2024, Rosaviatia certified the VK-650V, a modern turboshaft engine. This engine is capable of producing up to 650 horsepower in takeoff mode and is expected to have a hot section service life of up to 4,500 hours and a cold section service life of up to 9,000 hours. Generally, a turbogenerator is an electric generator that is directly connected to a turbine shaft, such as steam, gas, or water turbines, that converts mechanical rotational energy into electrical power. Turbogenerators are extensively employed in power plants and as auxiliary power units in aircraft, as they are engineered to withstand severe mechanical stress while operating at high speeds. In the field of aviation and hybrid electric aircraft, a turbogenerator is a device that combines a gas turbine engine with an electric generator to generate electricity. This electricity is used to power electric motors or recharge batteries, thereby enabling hybrid propulsion systems that combine the efficiency and endurance of turbines with the flexibility of electric drive. The turbogenerator's main characteristic is the development of a hybrid power plant for vertical takeoff and landing aircraft and unmanned aerial vehicles. The electric motor provides lift, while the turbogenerator generates electricity, enabling a longer flight endurance than a conventional electric motor alone. This is achieved by the generator's continuous power generation. The power plant also incorporates a battery. The reduction gearbox was altered to improve the specific power of the VK-650V engine by adjusting the gear ratio. Alternating current is generated by the rotor of the electric generator, which is spun by the gas turbine engine, which rotates at tens of thousands of revolutions per minute. A power electronics unit converts this current to direct current with the necessary parameters. To guarantee uninterrupted operation, both the generator and the power electronics unit are outfitted with a liquid cooling system. This turbogenerator is the only unit in Russia with a power-to-weight ratio of 200 kilograms and 400 kilowatts, respectively. The generator's anticipated operational resource is 10,000 hours. It is crucial for use in the Arctic and other challenging regions due to its operational characteristics and reliability, which enable it to function in a diverse array of climatic conditions, including temperatures as low as -40 degrees centigrade. Modern technologies such as additive manufacturing or 3D printing are used to develop the primary engine, VK-650V, which enhances performance and reduces weight. It is designed for light helicopters and is a component of Russia's import substitution programs for military and civil equipment. Therefore, the VK-650V turbogenerator is a revolutionary Russian innovation for hybrid aircraft engines that provides durable power, lightweight, dependability, and the capacity to operate in challenging weather conditions. This innovation is instrumental in the advancement of vertical takeoff and landing technology in Russia and unmanned systems. Turbogenerators that exhibit the exact combination of 200 kilograms weight and 400 kilowatts power are exceedingly uncommon and highly specialized products on a global scale. Globally, the most widely used turbogenerators from major manufacturers such as General Electric, Siemens, Mitsubishi, or Ansaldo Energia are classified as large industrial in size, with greatly higher power ratings and heavier weights. These generators are typically employed in power plants. Because industrial steam or gas turbines and their generators entail heavier components due to materials, cooling, and auxiliary systems, smaller turbogenerators in the range of hundreds of kilowatts generally weigh more than 200 kilograms. Compact high-speed turbo alternators with power capacities of up to approximately 400 kilowatts are developed by certain organizations, including Barber-Nichols. However, The exact weights of these devices are not always disclosed to the public. Additionally, the weight of small hydro turbines or gas turbine generator sets in Asia typically exceeds 200 kilograms as a result of design differences and auxiliary equipment, although they generate power at approximately 400 kilowatts. The UEC Klimov turbogenerator is particularly well suited for the powering of medium to large unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, particularly in applications that necessitate high energy for extended endurance and heftier payloads. It is excellent for larger drones, such as long-endurance reconnaissance drones, heavy-lift drones, or VTOL UAVs designed for regional cargo transport and special military tasks due to its high power-to-weight ratio. These drones typically weigh from several hundred kilograms to a few tons. The turbogenerator provides a long service life, modularity, and high efficiency, which leads to decreased operational and maintenance expenses with frequent use. This advantage makes it more cost-effective for multi-purpose unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, that require consistent deployment, such as tactical drones, logistics drones, or surveillance drones, and are not designed for single-use or kamikaze missions. The strong design and initial price of the turbogenerator probably won't make sense for single-use UAVs, since it is built to last and operate over many missions instead of being used just once. So, the UEC Klimov turbogenerator is best for UAVs that need to be used many times and are very reliable, but it probably won't be a good choice for drones that are only used once. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, please take our channel membership, which is very affordable, to encourage us.